Sanibona ababukeli ninjani? Ngithemba nisaphila. Ngizocela si-like, si-comment, si-share, si-subscribe ukuze lo msebenzi sizophusha ufike nakwabanye bewuthokozele. Esizokhuluma ngakho-ke namhlanje babukeli, sizokhuluma ngebudget. Siyabona-ke lapha-ke indaba eyisematheni ukuthi ibudget iphasile. Le budget ebeyibekwe or ebeyivezwe uMinister of Finance kule fiscal year ka-2025-2026. Babukeli, kodwa le budget ke okungekuhle kahle ngayo ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi izo-include i-VAT nangendlela emingayo ayikaze ishintshwe. Kodwa ke amaqembu lana akhombise ngokusobala ukuthi wona le budget azoyivotela kube yi-Action SA, i-IFP ne-UDM ebese kuba yi-ANC. Ebese kuthi-ke i-EFF, i-MK Party kanye ne-DA namanye amaqembu ebengahambiselani nale budget le. Ubeshilo wona ukuthi le budget idinga ukubukekezwa kabusha ukuze kubonakala ukuthi yini engenziwa ukuze kuzanywe imali yokukhava la okushoda khona ngaphandle kokuthi kuze kunyuswe intela. Kanti futhi-ke lamaqembu bekhala ngokuthi le budget angeke iwuthuthukise umnotho, angeke iwakhande amathuba emisebenzi, njengoba sazi ukuthi eSouth Africa almost half we-population is swimming in poverty. So ibudget ibidingakala ibudget ezokwazi ukuthi i-create amathuba emisebenzi, ivule amathuba emisebenzi besebenza abantu. Kodwa-ke ake niyibonele naye i-video be-celebrate ebebevote in favor of i-budget. Ningathi niswe ngami.
Members, the outcome of the division is as follows. There were no abstentions. 182 voted against and 194 voted in favor. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Honorable member. Honorable member. Honorable DC. Honorable members. Order. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Honorable members, take up your seats. Honorable members, take up your seats. Order. Order, honorable members. Honorable members, the question that the 2025 fiscal framework and revenue proposals and the report of the Standing Committee on Finance is thus adopted. Order, honorable members.